All right, this tutorial is for submitting an assignment. This can apply to Google Docs, Google Slides, anything like that. So right now I'm in a Google slide that I've already been working on. And the nice thing about Google is it automatically saves things for you. You don't need to save it, it just does it for you. So I'm gonna click my check mark here. That means I'm done editing, I'm done with my work. I'm gonna go back to my Google Classroom. I'm gonna exit out of this Google slide, and it's gonna take you to a screen that says your work. From here, I can either add an attachment or I can click turn in. With this particular assignment, I do not need to add any other attachments because it's already attached to the Google slide. So I'm going to click turn in, turn in. It may take a second, there might be a second of lag time, but you'll know when it's turned in because the turn in button will go away. And now I can unsubmit, which means I'm not done and I need to do more work. So now I'm done. And you can also notice that right here, that button has turned to a gray color. That is because I've turned it in and I've completed it. Whereas this one I have not, so it is still orange.